With stunning pool complexes and a huge range of activities to enjoy, this is a large and lively campsite on the sun-drenched Côte d'Azur. La Baume. The Tinman family are very impressed.
On La Baume, the facilities are fantastic. The facilities themselves on site near the caravan are great. The pools are wonderful. The lifeguards are in abundance, which makes you feel very secure, especially with the children.
Everything is within a convenient distance from where we are actually placed, and you know, I think it is
very good value for money.
It is. It's a very nice site, and
there's everything here.
Everything's here that we need, as I say, within easy reach, and we're really enjoying it.
Steve and Mary Thompson like the surroundings.
We like coming to the South of France because of the scenery and the climate.
And this campsite does represent the South of France because there's a huge variety of trees. It's like being in an arboretum, in fact, plenty of flowers.
La Baume has 2 spectacular swimming pool complexes, one at each end of the campsite. There are all sorts of different types and depths of pool, with something for everyone. And La Baume slides and water chutes are great fun. There's also a covered pool and a jacuzzi. Around the site there's so much to do for all ages. From tennis to table tennis, archery to boule, football to basketball. There's even a climbing wall. And for smaller ones, there's lots of things to do in the playground. Keep in trim by toning up in the fully equipped gym or joining in with an aerobics class. La Baume has all the facilities you need for a great holiday. A well-stocked supermarket with fresh produce and your favourite brands. A gift and clothes shop. There are safety deposit boxes and internet access. And good shower and laundry facilities. There's a campsite takeaway with pizzas and burgers. And a full-service restaurant. In the evenings, there are shows and karaoke. A games arcade. 2 bars. And a disco to dance the night away. And what do our guests think about modern camping?
Camping nowadays gives you a sense of home from home, with proper cooking facilities, proper beds, fans, and accommodation that's been purpose-built for this kind of holiday.
It's wonderful, it's spacious, it's healthy, it's outdoors, the children love it. It's a perfect holiday.
La Baume, at the heart of the Riviera.